Hey everyone! Did you know that Bitcoin is becoming more popular than ever? With the value skyrocketing, people are scrambling to get their hands on it. But here's the kicker, many folks don't even realize there are easy ways to earn Bitcoin for free. Stick around, and I'll show you one of the simplest methods out there. So, let's dive into TapSwap. It's a super cool platform that allows you to earn free Bitcoin just by sharing a code. Yep, you heard that right. This innovative system is changing the game for many who want to dip their toes into the world of cryptocurrency without spending a dime. Sounds intriguing, right? Now, let's talk about the common misconceptions surrounding cryptocurrency. A lot of people think that earning Bitcoin is complicated or requires a hefty investment. Others fear they might lose money or get scammed. Trust me, I get it. The world of crypto can seem daunting, especially for beginners. But the reality is, many people are missing out because they think it's out of reach or too risky. The good news is that with platforms like TapSwap, you can safely and easily get started without any financial burden. Alright, let's break down how TapSwap actually works. First off, signing up is a breeze. You just create an account in a few simple steps. Once you're in, you'll receive a unique code that you can share with others. Every time someone uses your code, you earn Bitcoin rewards. It's that simple. Plus, TapSwap has some unique features, like bonus rewards for reaching certain milestones or inviting friends. And the best part, you can track your earnings in real time right on the platform. So, you always know how much Bitcoin you're racking up. Now, let me share a quick success story. One of my friends, Sarah, was initially skeptical about TapSwap. She thought it sounded too good to be true. But after signing up and sharing her code with a few friends, she was blown away by how quickly she started earning Bitcoin. Within just a couple of weeks, she had enough to make her first purchase. She told me it felt amazing to earn something valuable without any upfront costs. If she can do it, so can you. So, to wrap it all up, TapSwap is an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to earn free Bitcoin easily. You don't need to invest money or have prior experience. Just sign up, share your code, and start earning. It really is that straightforward. I'd love to hear what you think. Have you tried earning Bitcoin before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome cryptocurrency tips. Check out my other videos too, where I dive into even more ways to earn Bitcoin and navigate the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!